Welcome to our channel. If you want to install premium streaming on your Firestick using a hidden downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your Firestick and use the search function to find and install the downloader app. Step 2. Open Downloader and click the URL bar at the center of the interface. Step 3. Type in the hidden downloader code for premium streaming and click Go to start downloading. Step 4. Wait while the APK file downloads to your device. Watch the progress bar for completion. Step 5. After downloading, you'll see an install prompt. Click Install to begin installation. Step 6. Once installation completes, click Done. Consider deleting the APK file to free up space. Step 7. Navigate to your Firestick home screen and find the premium streaming app in your Apps section. Step 8. Launch the app and enjoy premium streaming quality with high-definition content, exclusive shows and movies, and advanced features unlocked through the hidden code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.